The main focus was on the engine.
The most important work of today that is compare the engine.
We had one goal to test only engine.
Be interested to know if this is work being done, Steve, on this brand new upgraded spec engine. There are two different spec engines here for Rossi and Vinales to work their way through.
I just ran a little bit on the beginning of the practice with the old bike. Then suddenly we changed the engine and we feel we improved in the points we needed to improve.
One evolution engine that we tried already during the season, and we compare with the standard engine, and it's not so bad because it helps for stress less the tire.
We didn't have any other items to work on the bike because to choose the right engine configuration is very important for us.
The color of the bike change, the sponsor change. It will be very important to understand in this winter test if we can be stronger compared to last year.
The Sepang 1 test is very, very crucial for us to understand the real level that we're at. We have to make the final selection for the engine in particular for next year. Obviously, factory team can only use one specification of engine throughout the entire season, so it's very important for us to get that right.
From Jerez test, we didn't make big improvements, so still we try to find something more. As the Honda shown, they are very fast and constant, so still there is room to improve. I think it's very important if we want to battle on this championship, we have to improve the bike. Especially, I would like to improve the acceleration.
I'm quite worried still, so if we race tomorrow, we suffer because we have something else to improve.
We have to choose or decide the final engine specification, and it's been decided.
Honestly, I'm quite happy because I think we did good improvements.
My pace is quite good. I'm P5 at the end at the end of the 3 days. That is not so bad.
A lot of question marks about Yamaha last year. Have they answered them? I guess we're going to find out pretty quickly, Matt. Rossi's flying here. He's a 10th up.
155, 127, the best from Lorenzo. Rossi does go top, 155.048. The Doctor makes a brilliant start to 2019. Maverick Vinales takes the first pole position of 2019.
He has been, as Matt rightly said, consistent throughout. This weekend, he's been really quick throughout winter testing. He is a new man, and he has delivered.
We improved a lot from the test, and the conditions in the test were really good, so we make good steps forward on the bike. We are building up a bike to fight, you know, and that's the most important. You know, if I can get in the front, I will just put the head down, push, and see what happens. The bike is ready.
Here we go. Vinales lines up on pole. Lights out on 2019. This is almost a carbon copy of Maverick Vinales from 12 months ago. He left it until the last 5-6 laps to post his fastest laps of the race. Where the bloomin' heck did Valentino Rossi come from, Matt? 14th on the grid, written off this morning. He finishes 6/10 behind the winner.
Yeah, he was less than 3/10 of a second off the podium.
I'm happy because it was a good race, and I feel good with the bike today, and I also enjoy coming from the back. The problem is that my feeling is that we are more or less like last year. So we have to keep working because in some other places maybe we can have some more problem.
It was so difficult to overtake, even of the lack of the top speed in the main straight. But it is what it is. We need to keep working. I need to improve. I have to maybe do it different in Argentina. Try to fight with the riders on the practices. Try to be a little bit more aggressive. So we will try something to improve for sure. I mean, this is only the first race, so we're gonna keep working.
We'll be right back.